The year is 2025, America is a giant amusement park, well not really. But it feels like it with Trump back in charge. He zooms around the White House on a golden golf cart. His hair, still magnificent. His first order of business, make America great again, he bellows. His tiny hands clutch a stack of executive orders. They're practically taller than him. Trump's back, and he's ready to shake things up. He's like a bull in a china shop. Except the china shop is the American government. He fires everyone who disagrees with him. He hires his friends even if they have no experience. Joining the mayhem is Elon Musk, now the Secretary of Stuff because DOGE wasn't an official title. Musk, a quirky inventor with rockets in his eyes, wants to launch America into the future. Literally. He dreams of Mars colonies and self-driving everything. Together, Trump and Musk are a comedy duo for the ages. Buckle up, America, it's going to be a bumpy ride. Trump's pen becomes a magic wand. Poof! No more environmental regulations. Poof! Taxes vanish for billionaires like him. Poof! He tries to rename the country Trumpistan. The lawyers, not amused. They swarm like angry bees, buzzing about the Constitution. Musk, meanwhile, is busy building robot assistants. They're supposed to help run the government. Instead, they mostly dispense candy and play air guitar. It's a hilarious disaster. The news is filled with stories about the chaos. Pundits on TV scream at each other. Late-night comedians have a field day. Everyone has an opinion, and it's louder than the last. America is a circus, and Trump is the ringmaster. The judges, dressed in their black robes, are not laughing. They're the grown-ups in the room, and they're not afraid to use their gavels. This is not a playground, they thunder. Lawsuits pile up like mountains. Trump throws a tantrum. He tweets furiously, calling the judges mean and unfair. The courtroom battles are epic. Lawyers argue about everything from the meaning of freedom to the proper way to make a taco. One judge even falls asleep during a particularly boring argument about tax law. The whole world is watching, wondering if America will ever be the same. Will Trump's executive orders stand? Will Musk turn the White House into a spaceship? Will anyone ever understand the American legal system? Stay tuned. Amidst all the chaos, something unexpected happens. DOGE, Musk's Department of Government Efficiency, actually starts working. Remember those robot assistants? They finally get their act together, thanks to a software update and a stern talking to from Musk. They streamline bureaucracy, balance the budget, and even manage to make the DMV fun. The American people, initially skeptical, are pleasantly surprised. Could DOGE be the answer to their government woes? Even Trump seems impressed. See, he boasts, I told you Elon was a genius. Of course he takes all the credit. The moral of the story? Even in the midst of political turmoil, there's always hope. And sometimes that hope comes from the most unexpected places. Or, in this case, from a bunch of robots programmed by a billionaire with a penchant for flamethrowers. Only in America,